How to enable or disable send last location in Find My Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, go down, then tap on lost device protection. Next, tap on Find My Mobile. In here, tap on send last location. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or switch off send last location in Find My Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.